Alright, so we are now on to our last speaker, and I wouldn't waste any time in introducing this speaker, because this speaker is our president, Toastmaster Jayanti. Project evaluator, can you?
Yeah, sure. Toastmaster Jayanti is giving her ACB 1, which is from Specialty Speeches Manual. This project is called Impromptu Speaking, which is previously called Off the Cuff. The objectives are to develop an awareness of situation in which you might be called upon to deliver an impromptu speech, understand how to prepare for impromptu speaking, use one or more patterns to approach the topic under discussion. For example, comparing a past, present, and future situation, or before and after. And I have a set of topics in my hand. I request Renuka to pick one of them, and this is what she is going to talk about. The time limit is 5 to 7 minutes.
Time doesn't start to. Even if it starts like they have.
The right title, Midlife Crisis.
Give a big hand to Toastmaster Jayanti.
Is there any takeaway from Toastmasters? My dear Toastmaster friend, do you think is there any takeaway in every speech? Particularly when you are doing your ACB specialty speech, you will be a very good communicator, meaning that you will be a very good listener, because I was wondering, if it's going to be health, oh my God, Dilipan has talked about acupressure. I can pick up points from there. If my impromptu speech is going to be about some self-improvement or parenting or some good thoughts, Ilangar, this speech is going to help me. If it's going to be about humor and offers, yes, my dear friend Mohan is there to support me in his speech. And of course from Chandramouli, all trials, all good things I can just pick up. So my impromptu speech is going to be very easy, but not with this topic. I'm a surprise. So midlife crisis. Here what exactly they mean is that you have a lifespan. Earlier it was maybe from 0 to 70 max. So your mid-year or your middle age as we call would be around 35. But now that the lifespan has gone up, my dear Toastmaster, it was on the day my father woke me up and said, "Happy birthday, Jayanti, you've crossed 40. You have to be happy or sad about it. This is the problem of media crisis. You do not know whether you are young or old. You do not know to which generation you belong to. Whether I should laugh for all the dirty jokes that my youngsters are doing, or nod my head proudly for the elders giving beautiful advice. I do not know. I do not know where I stand. There's a lot of confusion in life. There are ups and downs that you come across in this mid-year. And lucky in Toastmaster Medley, I have all genre of people, so my friends of my age can understand the plights that they enter into this midlife crisis. Why did we bother about too much about this midlife crisis? Again, your children would have grown up. You almost become a helicopter parent. You want to know what a helicopter parent is all about? Hovering about the kids. When it's going to be education, you have your own thoughts what your kids need to do. And you try to implement each and everything how Ilangade's mother would have done for him to do a doctor. When my parents were like that. Or you could be a soccer parent. You know what a soccer parent is all about? Try doing for impromptu speech, you will read more. The soccer parent is nothing but you don't want your kids to enjoy any of their free time. It is exactly what my parents did when they were in their mid-year crisis. Come back by around 3 o'clock from school. 3 to 4, Jayanti, go to Hindi class. 4 to 5, you go to sports. Learn about your tennis court and play. Come back again, 5 o'clock, go for your Veena class. class. 6 o'clock, go to your dance class. And of course, 7 o'clock, finish off with your music class. This was the schedule that any soccer parent would expect the child to do. These are the problems every parent would face. Wondering what a parent would face? Because the child is not going to obey you. Every day there is going to be a rift in the house. Now, coming to how can we overcome this midlife crisis? Is there any way that we can overcome? And of course, I can talk about health conditions, particularly with respect to women. They undergo what is called a menopause stage. They have all their physical disabilities rising up slowly at that age. There are articles, numerous articles coming about midlife crisis. Nobody wants to understand you at that age. You ponder over something, or you feel that you have wasted all your life doing nothing, no goals have been met, and all your life you have been with your child, where the child is now abusing you, saying that you have either been a helicopter parent or a soccer parent. Can we overcome this? Yes. There are solutions at this age to overcome. Start setting up goals for yourself. See that this is going to be a new life that you have started. All your commitments with your kids are over. Allow them to grow. You start your own life. Then you know where you're going. It's going to be a restart, and I would not say it's a mid-start. Of course, you can set your goals. You can have something new to look over. Have a good exercise plan. Have good dieting. I don't know how much of you are aware of this, because you didn't even come to 30. Why talk about 40 now here? So these are small things that you can take care of when you are into midlife crisis. Apart from all these, all the exercises, all the planning, all the other things that you are into, there is one important thing that you have to take care of. Can you guess? Health, of course, I have spoken about the exercise. Yes. You have somebody who have crossed this mid and gone to somewhere in the end. Look at them. You know what they were doing all these years for. Something for you to give them back. And definitely, you will know one day your kids will be watching you and give the same back to you. There's an old story, everybody knows about it. The father was always giving his father a bowl to eat. When his father died, he wanted to throw this bowl, where the son said, "Don't throw away, Dad, I need it when you become old." This is the exact story everybody are facing. So when all these crops are meant in that mid-year, be very fortunate that you have so much of internet, so much of Googling to do during those mid-year crisis, and try to overcome.